Discover the Presto Pizzazz Plus rotating pizza oven. It's the fast and easy way to bake fresh or frozen pizza, thin or rising crust. Plus, it prepares convenience foods like frozen chicken wings, jalapeno poppers, fish fillets, egg rolls, and more. The Pizzazz Plus features a rotating tray that turns continuously for even baking. While ordinary ovens are heating, you're eating. No need to preheat. Simply set the timer and it begins to bake. The top and bottom heating elements bake food from both sides, quickly and evenly, and they're separately controlled. Select the top, bottom, or both elements for perfect results every time. Use the bottom element to make a crispier crust, or the top element for a bubblier topping. And with the open oven design, it's easy to see when the pizza is done, just the way you like it. The timer signals when cooking time is complete and automatically turns the heating elements off. With the non-stick baking pan removed, cleaning and storage is easy. The Pizzazz Plus doesn't heat up your kitchen and can save as much as 60% in energy compared to a conventional oven. Chicken nuggets, quesadillas, grilled sandwiches, even cookies and cinnamon rolls. And of course, pizza!
The Firepod is a top-of-the-range portable outdoor pizza oven, designed to cook perfect pizzas every time. It's incredibly versatile and ready to use in minutes. And while it oozes style, it doesn't just cook pizzas. It's ideal for sizzling steaks, succulent vegetables, and even cooked breakfasts. The Firepod has been specially designed to be ultra-portable and exceptionally convenient. It's the go-to piece of easy-to-use kit that makes gardens, patios, festivals, camping, and boat trips extra fun. With ventilation at the top of the oven to prevent burning, you can rely on pizzas with a crispy base and a bubbly cheese topping. The reversible griddle makes barbecuing and cleaning so simple. It even has a specially designed lava stone, which you can heat to restaurant temperatures, then lift out and take to the table. The Firepod is perfect for getting the kids involved, or for the adults taking time to have some fun of their own. It runs on barbecue gas and is available in 5 stylish colours. The Firepod. Hot has never been.
UniCORE is our portable, powerful wood, charcoal and gas-fired pizza oven that reaches an incredible 932 degrees Fahrenheit or 500 degrees Celsius and cooks authentic pizza in just 60 seconds. Say hello to UniCORE. With UniCORE, you can cook with real wood or charcoal for authentic wood-fired flavour, or switch it up for the ultimate convenience using our separate gas burner. In just 15 minutes, UniCORE reaches 932 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the powerful heat needed for creating truly great pizza in just 60 seconds. You can also cook so much more, firing out delicious wood-fired meat, fish, nachos, wings and vegetable dishes too. UniCORE is a step change in pizza oven innovation. UniCORE includes a stainless steel body, ceramic fibre insulation, an extra thick 15mm stone baking board, and our patented Flamekeeper engineering. These features give UniCORE optimum airflow, maximum heat retention and even heat distribution for longer, consistent cooking temperatures, delivering you an awesome outdoor cooking experience every time. Refueling is simple via the easy access rear fuel hatch. You can also manage the power of the fire easily using the chimney baffle, which acts as a throttle through making quick airflow adjustments. Simply open it up for maximum flames and temperatures, or close for lower temperatures for different pizza styles and longer, slower cooks. The perforated fuel tray drives off excess ash as it burns, and the ultra-high temperatures mean that UniCORE is self-cleaning for minimal fuss. When we say UniCORE is portable, we really mean it. The chimney is detachable and the legs are folding. Weighing just over 26 pounds or 12 kilos, that's about the same as a case of beer, so you can throw a pizza party in any outdoor space. Because at Uni, we know it's so much more fun to focus on what really matters. Cooking epic food with family and friends, because everyone deserves great pizza.
You can create those experiences right at home. The BakerStone Pizza Oven Box allows you to bake gourmet quality pizzas in around 2 to 4 minutes. The patent-pending design combines a cooking chamber made of Pizzastone material with a housing that utilizes convective, conductive, and radiant heat to bake foods at about 600 to 800 degrees. And best of all, it's incredibly easy to use. It fits on just about any 3-burner or larger gas grill. There's no fuel, nothing to plug in. You turn on the burners to high and wait until the needle hits the right temperature. One of the things that I love the most about the BakerStone Pizza Oven Box is that you don't have to be a gourmet chef to use it. You can use your favorite store-bought dough or make your own from scratch, and you'll still get the same artisan quality and taste. And it's not only for baking pizzas. You can sear and roast steakhouse quality meats, roast vegetables, bake casseroles, desserts, and artisan quality breads, you name it. Overall, it's fun. The food becomes the party. Everyone pitches in, making pizzas, baking pizzas, and of course, tasting the different pizzas. My name is Tim Case, and I'm the creator of the BakerStone Pizza Oven Box. The best, easiest, and fastest way to create gourmet-style pizzas right in your own backyard.
This oven preheats in approximately 10 minutes and cooks a pizza in about 6. It also reaches temperatures of up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's go over the basics of operating the oven. First, make sure your Pizzeria Pronto is securely centered over the burner. Then, set the burner to high and preheat the oven with the door on. The Pizzeria Pronto requires the use of a pizza peel to put your pizza in the oven. When you make your pizza, I suggest sprinkling the peel with plenty of flour. That way it's less likely to stick. The pizza oven can accommodate up to a 12-inch pizza. Today I've prepared a pizza with tomato sauce, mozzarella, and we're going to finish with a little bit of basil. We're going to start by giving it a little back and forth shake. Once everything's moving, we're going to open the door, insert the peel into the oven, and give it a back and forth shake to get it to go in. Once your pizza's safely inside the oven, close the door and let the oven do the work. After about 2 or 3 minutes, the pizza is ready to be rotated. Simply open the door, retrieve the pizza, give it a rotation, and put it back in. Close the door and finish cooking. After another 3 minutes, my pizza is fully cooked and ready to slice and serve. Your Pizzeria Pronto stovetop oven is immediately ready to cook another pizza after the first one comes out. That's what makes it so great. This oven can cook up to 6 pizzas in the time it takes your conventional oven to cook just one. And there you have it. The Pizzeria Pronto stovetop pizza oven is a pizza party right on your own stove. We hope you have fun and enjoy making pizzas.